Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to you all to the NTCC High School, Malvani Malad West. Myself, Mrs. Shaheen Sheikh. Today, I'll be starting with chapter number 1, EVS 2 for Standard 4th. And the first chapter is Maharashtra before Shivaji Maharaj. Here are some instructions to be followed during the lecture. Use earphones or headphones for better learning experience. Keep a pen, a pencil, ruler and notebook handy. Children, please sit in a comfortable place and watch the video. You may pause the video till you get ready to resume or when you have to make a note of important points. So today in this chapter we will be studying about Shivaji Maharaj. Who was Shivaji Maharaj? What was the great work he did that we celebrate his birthday every year? Students, you know we get a holiday on this day on Shivaji Maharaj's birthday, that is Shivaji Jayanti. So why we celebrate Shivaji Jayanti? Why it is given a holiday on this day? Who was the Shivaji Maharaj? So this all we will study in this chapter. Shivaji was a great man. He lived in the medieval period. His birth anniversary was celebrated with great pomp and reverence. Children used to sing songs and povadas. They garland his picture and say, Shivaji Maharaj ki Jai. So Shivaji was a great man, and this is the time of the medieval period. Which period he belongs to? He belongs to the medieval period. And his birth anniversary is every year celebrated with great songs. People sing songs and povadas, and they garland, means they put garland on his picture. And while putting garland on his picture, they all say loudly, Shivaji Maharaj ki Jai. Even in those days, but there were some kings who looked after the welfare of their subjects. And who were the kings? Some of the benevolent rulers famous in history were the Mughal Emperor Akbar in the north, the Emperor Krishnadev Raya of Vijayanagar in the south. So these two rulers were very famous in those times. Likewise, Shivaji Maharaj also commands great respect even today. So with these great rulers, Shivaji also commands great respect even today. Shivaji Maharaj established Swaraj in Maharashtra. Shivaji Maharaj tried to establish Swaraj. And what is Swaraj? Swaraj means self-government, our own rule. So we should follow our own rule, and the government should be self-government, our own government. And it is called Swaraj. For about 400 years before Shivaji Maharaj, Maharashtra was not free. It was divided among two sultans. And before Shivaji came and he started to establish Swaraj. But before Shivaji, what happened? Before Shivaji, Maharashtra was not free and it was under the hands of sultans. Who were that sultans? Nizam Shah of Ahmednagar and Adil Shah of Bijapur. These two sultans used to rule on Maharashtra. And these two sultans had divided Maharashtra among themselves. They have divided Maharashtra and then they used to rule over there. They were not liberal in their outlook. They oppressed the people over whom they ruled. They were not very good with the people. They used to oppress the people. They were also sworn enemies of each other. They were the enemies of each other. They constantly fought against each other and oppressed the people over whom they ruled. People were harassed, suffered, could not celebrate festivals, worship God, and even in their own houses they were not safe. There was no justice. So in the ruling time of Nizam Shah and Adil Shah, the people were not happy. They could not eat properly, they could not celebrate any festivals, then they could not worship God. Okay, and even in their houses they were not feeling safe. There was no justice with them. There was injustice everywhere in Maharashtra. Then in Maharashtra there were many Watandars. Like, see here you can see Watandars like Deshmukhs, Deshpandes. These are the Watandars in Maharashtra. And these, they only love their own Jagis and not their country. They used to rule, but they don't have any love with the people in the country. They love only their Jagis. The constant fighting among them brought great misery to the people. Great misery means people were not happy and they both were busy in their own Jagis and not worried about the people in the country. And constantly they used to fight with each other. And who has to face all this? People have to face this. Shivaji Maharaj saw all this. Now Shivaji Maharaj saw all this, what was happening in Maharashtra. And then he undertook the noble task of establishing Swaraj in Maharashtra, which would bring happiness to the people. So Shivaji decided to bring happiness to the people. He undertook the noble task of establishing Swaraj in Maharashtra. Now what is Swaraj? As I told you, Swaraj means self-government, our own rule. Shivaji Maharaj brought the Watandas together and used them in his plan to establish Swaraj. So Shivaji Maharaj now he took help of these Watandas only to establish Swaraj. He fought against the powers that oppressed the people and defeated them. Shivaji established Hindvi Swaraj based on justice, fair play and equality among all caste and religion. Here now Shivaji started establishing Swaraj. He fought against the oppressive people and he loved justice with all the people. Swaraj was based on justice and equality among all the caste and all the religion. Shivaji made no distinction between Muslims and Hindus. He honored the saints of all the religions. All the religions means he used to follow and honor and give respect to all the saints of all the religions. There were many saints before Shivaji. Their work helped him in establishing Swaraj. So many saints were there before Shivaji, and what the saints have done the work, that work helped him in establishing the Swaraj. During a period of about 300 to 400 years before Shivaji Maharaj, many saints were born. So their work helped Shivaji Maharaj in his work in the effort of establishing Swaraj. And what these saints did, we will study in the next chapter. Students, here are some recapitulation questions. So I have given here, fill in the blanks. The time in which Shivaji Maharaj lived was that of the dash period. Options are given here: ancient, medieval and modern. So can you answer the question? Yes, it is the medieval period. Shivaji Maharaj established Swaraj in dash: Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh. Where Shivaji established Swaraj? In Maharashtra. This is the home assignment for you. Match the pairs. Some options are given, A side, B side. You have to match it on your own. So you copy this, match the pairs and fill in the blanks in your notebook. Coming up next will be chapter number 2. Here we will see work of the saints. The saints which has come, which were there before Shivaji Maharaj. What work they have done, we will study. Stay safe and healthy. Take care of yourself, children. Thank you.